Hello and welcome to this video. This is about the Godfather, the uh, Coppola restoration trilogy set. This one includes 4 discs. The first 3 parts, all 3 parts of the movie, plus the fourth disc includes only the special features in it. It's got a lot of special features on the fourth disc here. Let me take them off and show it to you. This is the cover for the first movie, The Godfather. This is probably more than 3 hours actually. It includes commentary. It's in 5.1 Dolby True HD sound. The next one is the second part. This is also another restored edition. It's got 5.1 Dolby True HD sound with the director's commentary. This is the Godfather Part 3. This again has 5.1 True HD sound. And this is the fourth disc, which has the supplements. The supplements include behind the scenes, additional scenes, chronology, the family tree, photo galleries, trailers, acclaim and response, filmmaker biographies, Godfather World, the masterpiece that almost wasn't HD, when the shooting stopped, and a few more other special features are on the disc. So overall, again, I bought this for around £15, around 1500 rupees, and this seems to be a good buy again. Thank you for watching this video.